How to fix when DirectX 12 is not supported on your system in Marvel Rivals. But first, in your Windows search, go find DXDIAG. It's your DirectX diagnostic tool, and go check your DirectX version. Make sure your studio version is in DirectX 12, but if it's not, you can still follow these steps. So first, go to your Windows search and type check for updates. One of the problems may be because you haven't updated your Windows yet, so go ahead and check for updates. And once it's done, go try and launch the game. Next, if it still doesn't work, you can check your drivers. Maybe you haven't updated your drivers again. So go to your NVIDIA app. If you don't have, you can download this online. Then go to your drivers. If you have an update, then go download that immediately. Once it's finished, you can go and try launching the game again. If it still doesn't work, then try opening your Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Once you see your Marvel Rivals, go click on the three dots and click on Manage. Now enable your launch option and type -DX11. Now try launching the game again. Hope this helps!